Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy LaCandles here, back again with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the first sword in RB battles. So a lot of people were hunting and trying to get this sword, and I got pretty much all my information from KreekCraft, so shout out to KreekCraft. So what you're going to first need to do is see where I am at right now. I'm kind of like in the middle area. What you're going to need to do is you need to walk over to this Dance Our Revolution thing, and you're going to need to do the Konami code. And what the Konami code is, it's up, up, down, down, left, right, B, A. And once you've done that, you will get a secret dance acquired. Alright, now that you guys have gotten the secret dance, which I will be showing you right here, the godlike exclusive RB Battles dance, which by the way, that's actually a Roblox emo that you can purchase. I believe it's 80 Robux. So since I am a Roblox premium member, I actually get VIP for free for a couple days, I believe. But if you don't have premium, then that means you're going to have to go to players and you're going to have to rely on joining people who are hosting it. But luckily, all I have to do is go to all my songs and search Roblox. And all you have to do is just sit there and let it play. You don't have to like successfully beat the song or anything. If you just get enough, you'll automatically pass. Another thing is if you leave the game or you do a song wrong out of order, then you have to restart the whole process. It's annoying, I understand, but I guess it's part of the challenge thing. So yeah, once you finish this, you'll get a little message, but I'm going to be fast forwarding this so we aren't wasting time basically. Alright, now that you most likely failed doing that, you now got a message on the side of your screen, which I will zoom in so you can see it, which says you feel as if a hidden sequence of events has been set in motion, which means you've done this correctly. Your first step is now done. Now you have to do yet again another song. Alright, so the next song is going to be the Crab Rave, which this is the 13 difficulty one. Make sure you're selecting the right one, because if you select the wrong one, then yet again you have to restart. So now we will fast forward. Now that you've yet again probably failed doing it, you get another message saying you feel as if you're getting closer to your destination. Alright, the next song you're going to need to do is the Wither song by Beastlick. I heard Beastlick is a very cool person, so I'm kind of glad he's getting some publicity off this event. So now we're just going to wait for the song to end for the final song. Okay, so once you finish the song, you should get a message saying you feel as if you are right on the cusp of a great discovery. I'm sorry, I don't know why I was struggling so much to read that. So you're going to have to hit back. So now you're going to need to do Monday Night Monsters hard mode. Monday Night Monsters hard mode. And who's ready? Yeah, woo! Yeah, another thing. Oh, okay, sorry. I was afraid because I was watching Kreek's stream and he had not yet done the monster song yet. So it's like, I really hope he didn't add that there and screw me over and have to redo the whole process. But yes, it is there. You feel as if a great secret has been revealed, but where? Look around. You'll need to equip something. Okay, so from here on out, the video is going to be a little scuffed. I'm going to be honest with you guys. So once you do that last song, you're going to need to go to this blue building right here. You just run up to it, and you see this elevator. There should be a logo here. So you might be thinking, LaCandles, I don't see the logo. Where's the logo? Here's the thing. So right now, the event is a bit bugged, and I already got the item, and these are the gears I use, because you need to equip the gears. I don't know if you need to equip all the gears, but the thing was, when I originally did this, I literally watched KreekCraft try to figure this out for like an hour. So what you have to do is you actually have to redo the last song, and you might be thinking I'm trying to troll you here. I promise you this is what I did. Like, I was literally so excited when I got it. I can show you proof that I have it. Right here, I have the sword. I'm not messing with you guys. I promise you, that is what you do. Lacandle swears on his life, if you redo the last song and you followed all the steps correctly and you have these gears, you should get the thing. There should be a logo right there, and you should click on it.
That's how you do it, right there at the bottom.
Oh, it worked!
Alright, there we go, there we go.
Was that... So I was just messing around. I didn't think this was actually gonna work. So what I did was I redid the last song again, and I got it. And what you do is you click the elevator and you get teleported up here. I actually don't know what to do after this, I'm going to be honest with you. But I believe you go grab that sword and you should get the badge. I missed. Sorry, I'm just really excited. I don't know how to get it though. I'm being stupid, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. I got the sword. And you touch it and you got it. Oh my god, I can't believe I got it. I got it before Greekcraft. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm excited. I wonder how many people got it before me. Probably like 100, 200 maybe. Oh, I was like the 400th person. Okay, I didn't do that bad. Top 500, I'll take it. You know, I'm pretty proud of myself. So let's see how the sword looks. I believe it's a waste item. Nope, it's not. I'm stupid. Let me just go to recent. It's probably under my recent. Yep. Okay, I got DJ Sword of Agility. Okay, I'm sorry. I was really happy. I got the sword really early. Oh, so yeah, you do have to redo the song again. So yeah, that is confirmed. You have to do it again. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you want more of these tutorials. I spent a very long time watching Creek's stream, and I wanted to make a simple short version for you guys because I don't know if Creek is going to do that. So thank you for watching. Peace out.